in hooking fall colors, it always is important to figure out what you want to do for sky. This is a nice cloudy day and it mutes the colors, but this is a nice fall crisp day, which makes everything pop.
That's really amazing. It's really, and you're having a difficult time trying to determine what
Yeah.
feeling you want to achieve.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because you've been standing here for a while switching them out.
Or it could be that I have this near the bottom where it's cloudier, and this is going to be up near the top of the sky.
Oh, that's interesting too.
Yeah. Yeah.
Can you just switch them out again so we can show people how one color just makes such a huge difference?
Bright, crisp fall day.
Yep. Wow. How much fun is this?
Oh, total fun.
And what's your name?
Joyce McDonald.
All right, Joyce, and thank you. You've been a customer for here for a while.
Few years.
That's great. Well, thank you so much for sharing that with us today.
Thank you.